Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is Cast King Perigee 2 fishing rods. The Perigee 2 packs a lot of premium features that are worth every penny you pay. First, it has a strong, 24-ton carbon fiber backbone that offers multiple power ratings. Then again, we suggest going for a medium light or medium rod for trout fishing. Action-wise, you only get one that fast. But let's face it, it is all you'll ever need for catching trout. You also get Fuji line guides, which are some of the best ones you can get. They are smooth, durable, and a great conduit for vibrations. The Perigee 2 also packs a comfortable EVA foam handle and a light graphite reel seat. Cast King PTS, that means Power Transition System. Hybrid spigot joints in Perigee 2 2-pieces rods transition power smoothly throughout your fishing rod blank. Specialized high-technology computer control wrapping at 4 angles 0, and 45 and 90 and 135 degree keeps the power flowing. Whether you choose an amazing and affordable Perigee 2 casting fishing rod as a bass rod or a Cast King spinning rod as a walleye rod, or for any species, you will agree it feels exactly like a one-piece fishing rod. For details, let's watch more. Our second best trout spinning rod is Placino Hunter fishing rod. It is from Placino, and it is also cheaper. Again, we are talking about a carbon fiber fishing rod. The IM6 graphite shards grant unparalleled strength. In fact, this is the strongest trout fishing rod we've reviewed thus far in terms of power ratings. Fortunately, the fast action compensates for some of the stiffness. The EVA foam slip handles are a welcome change from the cork trend of this review. Nevertheless, we wish they were a little larger as there is almost no room to move. There is not enough cushioning to keep the rod comfortable during prolonged fishing sessions. The plastic reel seat might be a deal breaker for seasoned anglers. Still, it might be a good deal for beginners considering that you can get a Red Eagle for under $30. The Red Eagle features stainless steel guides with ceramic inserts that are a great conduit for vibrations. Third pick in our list is Okuma Solilo lightweight trout rods. With input from some of the top trout fishermen of the Northeast and Northwest, Okuma developed the Solilo rod series. Throwing modesty out the window, the Solilo rods nail the needed actions and are the perfect salmon, trout, and bottom-bouncing graphite rods. Crafted from the highest quality material ensuring quality and durability. Featuring graphite composite blanks for reliable handling and quick response, fore and rear cork grips provide a secure and solid grasp and a stainless steel keeper that holds the hook when it is not in use for added safety. There's a ton to like about Solilo rods. Within that range you can choose the perfect performer for dissecting a weed bed, or soaking floating trout bait on a long cast. Whatever your ultralight passion, Solilo rods deliver great materials and smooth actions that add to the quality of the experience. Number 4 in our side is Ugly Elite Spinning Fishing Rod. The Ugly Stick Elite comes in many different configurations and combinations of length and power, as well as a choice between one-piece and two-piece versions. The Shakespeare Ugly Stick Elite Spinning Rod delivers uncompromising performance for anglers of all skill levels. The Ugly Stick Elite is made with 35% more graphite for a lighter weight while maintaining the legendary toughness you've come to expect from Ugly Stick. Cork handles offer a firm yet smooth handhold for hours of comfortable fishing and reliable hook sets. The spin rod's clear tip design responds to even the lightest nibbles and strikes and can be used with all types of line including braid for ideal versatility. One-piece stainless steel Ugly Tough guides eliminate insert pop-outs for ease of use, while exposed blank-style reel seats with cushioned stainless steel hoods ensure your reel stays firmly in place. For details, let's watch more. Number 5 in our top 5 best trout spinning rod list is Berkley Lightning Trout Rod. It looks like Berkley does much more than just lures and fishing lines. The Lightning Rod is Berkley's first spinning rod meant only for trout. It has a carbon fiber core made with 24-ton graphite shards. It should be enough backbone to handle even the fattest of trouts. The stainless steel guides have aluminum oxide rings that keep the line from slipping. Plus, it does a superb job at reducing friction. You can choose between a 7 or 8 feet long, breakable pole, which is better for transportation. However, they are more likely to break under heavy load. You see, they have more weak points. It gives plenty of room to maneuver, and it keeps the rod comfortable even after prolonged use. The stainless steel double locking reel seat is the cherry on this cake. It is thick and strong yet sensitive enough to transmit any movement. For details, let's watch more. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.